Indoor plants that are poisonous and dangerous. Houseplants are a common element in home decor. Beautiful indoor plants add visual interest and greenery to your home interior, aid in purifying the indoor air and may offer medicinal benefits, too. Here are the top 5 indoor plants that are dangerous. Number 1. Philodendron. Philodendrons are among the most popular house plants because they are easy to grow and require little maintenance. If you want to keep your philodendron plant, keep it in a high place that is out of reach of children or pets. Number 2. Dieffenbachia. The Dieffenbachia, also called dumb cane, is a beautiful houseplant with large, colorful leaves that definitely adds beauty to any home interior. But you must be aware of the fact that this indoor plant can present a danger to kids and pets. Number 3. Oleander. Oleander is a beautiful flowering shrub that can be grown indoors as well as outdoors. But all parts of this plant are poisonous for both humans and pets. Number 4. Golden pothos. The golden pothos, commonly known as devil's ivy, is another indoor plant that is dangerous to pets. The American Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals has listed this house plant as toxic to both cats and dogs. Number 5. Arrowhead plant. This lovely house plant with long, heart-shaped leaves looks extremely beautiful and gives a nice touch to any home decor. Due to its sheer beauty and easy maintenance, people across the globe love to keep this house plant in their homes, without even knowing about its toxic nature. If you liked the video, give us a thumb, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and please share with friends.